लगातार आपने 5-6 पॉइंट दे दिए।
भाई हम किसी के पॉइंट रखते नहीं है।
मेरे को लगता है जैसे आरसीबी ने दानिश सेठ को रखा है और
Oh my god. Yeah, because Dhoni is also nagging.
हाँ वही है।
Bro,
इस साल जितनी misfielding हो रही है
common
ना।
across all North Indian teams, by the way. Now, KKR also dropped a lot of them. TCF
KKR is North India, wow.
I mean,
ये
whatever,
ज्योग्राफी का
Bengal
लेजेंड।
अहमदाबाद में टेस्ट मैच हो रहा है, 1.5 लाख का कैपेसिटी है, 15 लोग देख रहे हैं।
अभी ये जो आपने बोला जो ग्राउंड बदलना और उसके वजह से सबसे ज्यादा इस वजह से सॉरी बैड वर्ड।
How many IPL finals has Mahendra Singh Dhoni featured in?
Steel. Ted.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू एपिसोड 9 ऑफ ओवरथ्रो ब्रॉट यू बाय कवर ड्राइव। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त विद द मोस्ट चिन्मय शर्मा एके स्कूबचिनो। What a week of cricket. Vaping is finally boring now, but lots of new stuff has happened. Ishan Kishan sends the Whistle Army home. Hardik Pandya with the back spasm practicing in the nets and so much more. But we'll discuss that, guys. Let me introduce you to the USP of this show is our live audience. As always, what's up, guys? Who are, I hate to remind everybody, but unbeaten in the quiz. And just to negate that, we've got a secret weapon in the house. Shivang, what's up, brother?
All good, all good. Not feeling up at all the pressure, not at all.
Pressure? What pressure? What is pressure, bro? And joining him another first time, Harsh. Kaisa hai, bhai?
Hello bro, amazing. मैं actually last year आया था by the way. So not the first time.
Who gives a shit about last time, bro? For new season, new host, new face. Same old Punjab, though. Same old Punjab.
नहीं last year मैं गुजरात को support कर रहा था. This year I am like कि पंजाब को करेंगे. पिछले साल मैंने गुजरात को हरवाया है. इस साल पता नहीं यार पंजाब को क्या हो गया यार.
Still there. We'll get to it.
क्या
We'll get
still
to it.
there यार मतलब I'm just disappointed.
But the person next to you never disappoints. Nathan, what's up, brother?
Pressure, what pressure again?
Pressure, what pressure? I see you've got a semi-fake RCB jersey.
Excuse me, very much real, except without the star, just like last time. But like, hopefully we get the star just like last time.
Listen, brother, the jersey might not be fake, but there's nothing fake about the performance you guys are putting in this season. Man,
Too real.
Crazy.
Too real.
Listen, man, since we have two RCB fans in the house, पिछले बार हम बात कर रहे थे कि काफी टॉन्ट चल रहे थे कि यार बैक टू बैक डक्स, विराट कोहली, रजत पाटीदार, what is happening, boys? What do you guys see yourself slipping from here, honestly?
See, I think it's our tournament to lose from here on.
To lose.
Yeah.
So you're seeing, back to back seasons.
Yeah, for sure. The way the team is placed right now, if you see, 2 back-to-back ducks के बाद everyone knows विराट कोहली क्या करता है, and that is what he's done. Fantastic century, follows it up with a 57 at Dharamshala. Hopefully he can just take it through the whole season and we can lift back-to-back trophies.
There is a saying they say in London that you wait so long for a London bus and then two come at once. So I think that's what is happening in the RCB as well. We waited 18 years then.
And London also.
And obviously.
London.
I mean, it's
Connections.
I mean, bro, I would imagine if it's the only team ever to allow 5 overseas players in a team, you should take full advantage of that and fucking kill it. But yeah, I want to talk about Virat Kohli. बहुत interesting interview दिया था उसने very
with
recently.
Mayanti, yes.
Some very important points that I want to talk about क्योंकि हम we've been discussing
And what
a
a
lot with you
timing
boys.
that too, around the anniversary.
Perfect. I mean, happier, but why not? यार, there was one thing क्योंकि हम बहुत बातें करते हैं कि यार इसने मैच के बाद ये बोल दिया, या अर्शदीप सिंह ने अंधेरा बोल दिया, whatever, वेपिंग चल रहा है, कैमरा पे आ गया, एंड विराट वेरी सिंपली सेड एंड ही पुट थिंग्स इनटू पर्सपेक्टिव कि यार मैच के बाद मैं अपने दोस्तों से बात, आप लोगों को लगता है ही इज अ केन विलियन,
Yeah.
मतलब अंडर 19
Kane Mama. He's Kane Mama for me.
राइट? डू यू थिंक कि ये कैमराज अब सब जगह पहुंच गए एंड इट शुडंट हैपन, और यू थिंक एज अ व्यूअर मुझे चाहिए ये मसाला?
No, I think you remember the whole after the IPL, after the match got over when they were showing montages and everything, the classic scene was one senior player and juniors around them, hands like this, and they were learning, right? And I would watch them learn around, like, say, I'm a Dhoni fan and people are like RCB young players who just got beaten. Right. Now they're talking to Dhoni like, and Dhoni's laughing with them. That's what I want to watch. I don't want this to be exaggerated, extrapolated into, beef is cooking, this is happening, this is happening. And then like Virat Kohli said, like, regardless of what happens after the show is over, after the match is over, he's meeting them for the first time, and I don't know how long he's there in India for. So they're also meeting him, meeting him for a while. So like, let them have the moment. Mute it. Let the commentary run.
As an interesting Harsh, यार you also watch a lot of cricket, you do a lot of content creation. As a viewer, आपको क्या लगता है यार कि मैं देख रहा हूँ, would you rather not see it at all? क्योंकि हमको तो है कीड़ा देखना है, या म्यूट पे देखो आप.
ये इसमें चक्कर ही है, जैसे आप अर्शदीप वाली बात कर रहे थे ना कि उसने अंधेरा बोल दिया तिलक वर्मा को, है ना. अब भाई ये तो मतलब होना तो नहीं चाहिए. मतलब इसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्लेयर्स की होनी चाहिए कि एक तो होता है टेलीकास्ट अगर कुछ कर दिया, फॉर एग्जांपल अमित मिश्रा और रोहित शर्मा की एक कॉन्वर्सेशन टेलीकास्ट कर दी थी उमर के बारे में, है ना. वो दैट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्टर. लेकिन जो अर्शदीप करता है, मेरे को लगता है इट्स अ लिटिल टू फार फेच्ड कि जहाँ पे रेसिज्म जैसी चीजें अगर टच कर रहे हो और ऐसे कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं, तो मैं फील लाइक कि इससे मैसेज गलत जाता है.
Once you are in the public eye, and it's not just for cricketers, मतलब any celebrity you see, because people are looking up to you. आप जो कर रहे हो, that becomes a norm tomorrow, and then you know things can go haywire anywhere in any direction. So there is an added responsibility.
But I don't think जैसे Arshdeep, we're talking about him again. He's in his 20s. I don't think he became a cricketer to become a role model. So his comeback, and I don't want to speak on his behalf, could be यार मैं अपना मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. अगर हाँ, if I'm recording like he said and saying अंधेरे क्या चल रहा है, that may be the. But if someone catches him mid banter,
वो आपस में ड्रेसिंग रूम में आप एक दूसरे को क्या बोलते हैं वो हम लोग को पता नहीं है, ठीक है. लेकिन उसमें क्या हो गया कि वो बंदे ने उस बंदे को बोला, उस बंदे ने वो बोला कि आप जो बोल रहे हो मैं वो यहाँ पे उसको ज़्यादा ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ, प्रमोट नहीं कर रहा हूँ या समझ के भी नहीं ले रहा. उसने ये बोला था कुछ,
I don't encourage this.
हाँ, डोंट एनकरेज दिस, कि मुझे उसको अच्छा भी नहीं लगा. लेकिन उसने वहाँ पे जवाब नहीं दिया, उसने ग्राउंड पे जवाब दिया, और उसके बाद जो हुआ वो आप सबने देखा, और उस वजह से ये मामला ज़्यादा चला. लेकिन ये जो आप बोल रहे हो कि होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए, ये उन लोग का मामला है. बेसिकली हम लोग तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एज अ ऑडियंस बात कर सकते हैं.
as a fan, do you like watching all of this?
हाँ, मतलब होना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत. अरे उसी से तो चलता है आईपीएल भाई. अगर ये नहीं होगा तो आईपीएल क्यों चलेगा?
I think it's more about who presses
No,
the
but
record button.
everything.
I'm with you on that.
But everything being recorded is also a problem, right? Like one of my friend, again, you know, he's in close with an IPL team and everything. Like players go for a retreat, that is also recorded. Players go for this one, that is also recorded. Everything is recorded.
यार नीचे सिगरेट पी रहा है बंदा, 7th floor से वीडियो ले.
How dare? Anyway.
Yeah, man. I mean, if Kagiso Rabada wants to do a couple of lines here and there, let the man do his shit, bro. It's in his personal space.
Line and length. Line and length.
Second
Kagiso
of the
Rabada.
purple cap race, you know why?
Yeah, indeed. Speed, bro.
एमआई ने भी वो पॉइंट एक्नॉलेज किया था एक रील के साथ कि अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया वाला. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि तिलक को भी इतना बुरा लगा रह गया. ही अंडरस्टूड द असाइनमेंट.
At that point, Tilak looked a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But that encourages like to next month, like if he performs, if he doesn't perform, you know what's going to be in his comments. You know what's going to flood. It'll become a meme without even have to trying. For me, another thing is where Arshdeep's mamla, where it comes is, that is where you saw Uzi vaping as well. Like so, you're like players, their own content should be at least going through one level of the management
Scrutiny.
One level. Like
check
what
होना
are you
चाहिए.
posting? कि you show and then post types.
Yeah, fair enough.
दिस इज इन द फर्स्ट टाइम. पहले ही ऐसा सिमिलर इंसिडेंट डैरेन सैमी के साथ भी हुआ था. व्हेन हिज एंटायर टीम कॉल्ड हिम कालू या कल्लू, तब वो लोग को पीक रेसिज्म ही था तभी भी. लेकिन तब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था.
Apparently he didn't even know what it meant or
Yes,
something.
yes,
वो
वही
भी
वाला
चला था.
इंसिडेंट.
Whatever.
तब तो उसके टीममेट्स ही थे. उसके टीममेट्स अगर
calling
खुद
out-
को कालू बोले.
What Tilak Varma did was very right, to be honest. Like I'm not comfortable calling it out. Where he doesn't look like, he can't even take a joke. Nobody is talking about
Yeah, he
that.
like just
Everybody's calling out Arshdeep the right way.
Okay, fair enough. Let's come to your team now, yaar, Punjab. 6 out of 7 wins. And then
6 out of 7 loses as well.
क्या लगता है यार क्यों हो रहा है ये? Because I'm a huge fan of what your team does, how they perform, how they handle themselves, with the captain at the top. क्यों लगता है सरपंच साहब?
वो बैठे भी बीच में because that's a season.
No, I just want to tell
losses.
when he said दो लोग मिलते हैं एक friend का लेते हैं. I just thought of this.
नहीं, वो अभी वो रील चल रहा है ना, सड्डा पंजाब, और वो दिखता 1 पॉइंट. अरे लगातार अपने 5-6 पॉइंट दे दिए.
भाई हम किसी के पॉइंट रखते नहीं है, सबको वापस कर दिए. देखो सिंपल. हमें किसी का उधार नहीं
अभी
चाहिए.
कर्जा नहीं रखा है भाई ने, सब उन लोगों ने क्लियर कर दिया. अभी आखिरी मैच बचा
तेरे
है.
कितने थे? ये ले तेरे 2 पॉइंट.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आखिरी मैच जीत जाएंगे, क्योंकि
क्या
मुझे
लगता है,
भी
bro?
मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि
Last
पंजाब
match of,
जीते
भाई ठीक है, अपने को इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार।
Wow.
17 सीजन इतने, आपको तो आदत ही है ऐसे
Who are
चल
you
करने
talking
की।
about? Champions, bro.
या चैंपियंस।
But-
कितनी सीट्स रिजर्व्ड है आपके स्टेडियम में?
Sorry, man.
या वैसे फेयर। बाकी यार पंजाब किंग्स इज मिसिंग, वी आर
but like-
बैक टू किंग्स 11 पंजाब।
Yeah.
तो अभी मुझे लगता है एक आध सीजन और लगेंगे, पर हम चिल कर रहे हैं यार, कंफर्टेबल मतलब
But लगता है अभी
support
भी
कर
if
रहे
you
हैं।
win, it's not in your hands, unfortunately.
यार टीम की स्पिरिट ही बिगड़ गई यार, जैसे वो शशांक सिंह की बातें आ रही हैं कि वो कैचेस ड्रॉप हो रहे हैं, और फिर इनके ओपनर्स जो हैं प्रियांश और प्रभसिमरन अब थोड़ा उतना टच में नहीं लग रहे, कॉनली भी कुछ मैचेस में सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, श्रेयस अय्यर खुद कुछ मैचेस में स्टेप अप नहीं कर रहे, तो
भाई,
ऐसा लग
drop
रहा है कि
catches, man.
हाँ ड्रॉप कैचेस
Bro,
इस साल जितनी मिसफील्डिंग हो रही है
common
ना।
across all North Indian teams, by the way. Now, KKR also dropped a lot of them. TC
KKR
apparently
is North India, wow.
I mean,
ये
whatever.
geography का legend.
No, upper, above the Mediterranean.
No, but you know what's interesting though? SRH has dropped the most
The most
catches
catches. They're the lead.
across
This
the
season?
season. Yes.
21.
26 now.
20. Wow, crazy.
26 and Punjab is at 21.
Good catch, huh?
Yeah.
So I got this top 4. We've got 3 cemented. Give us the 4th.
I think it has to be at this. See, I'm very positive about Punjab.
Rooting for Punjab, honestly.
Yeah,
Rooting
I'm-
for Punjab.
I'm honestly rooting for Punjab.
No, genuinely. I told this last time.
At
Last
this
time
point,
also.
even we are not rooting for Punjab. मतलब six in a row. अब देखो, law of averages can obviously happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That happened already, na?
Yeah, but राजस्थान का भी सीन है ना कि if Rajasthan wins those two,
वो उनके हाथ में.
फिर तो अपने
But I
हाथ में
think,
कुछ
but
है नहीं।
Rajasthan is going to meet Mumbai Indians, and Mumbai Indians with
Meet
no
your
baggage,
meet.
most
Don't tell
dangerous team.
meet as a hi, hello, or nice.
It's with no baggage, no Hardik. You think it's going to be it's the same.
ये
I
दो
mean,
अलग
that's what
चीजें हैं
we
क्या?
got. It's a- Yeah, that was crazy. See, when you have a back spasm and then you're seen. Speaking of banter, dude, did you guys see what Ishan Kishan did after winning?
Bro, this
against-
week has been a week of banters. RCB Punjab also, Tim David doing this to Harpreet Kaur. Oh, Harpreet Kaur, first of all, bogey person just in front of RCB team.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
recruited. Special agent Dhurandhar, he's coming only for this guy.
उस बंदे का जन्म ही आरसीबी को उंगली करने के लिए हुआ.
Yeah.
He कभी भाई पहले जब ABD था, he used to dismiss ABD Virat Kohli in the same
No,
over.
I've told this, like, it's a left-arm spinner. It's always, it's Shreyas Gopal, it's this guy, it is just whatever, right? Now, Harpreet Kaur, last year, I thought after Virat Kohli telling, मैं जानता है, I know your coach as well, I thought he'll go silent, but no, Anna has to come back only for this. And then Tim David doing this celebration.
And then Ishan Kishan.
Oh my
Bro,
gosh.
that's a little hard.
Beautiful. And like, it was not even like, okay, they were panning to him. They were like, sir, 4 cameras on this guy. Sir, we need it for the Telugu movie, sir, by the way.
He like घर जा.
Whistle poured with Joe and then go.
And that moment, Ishan Kishan does a very emotional post-match. He says, "I am giving this as a tribute to my cousin sister who departed, unfortunately." मैं भाई रील बना रहा हूँ यार, ईशान किशन कितना अच्छा बंदा है, ये वो है. कट टू है, तो क्या कर रहा है भाई? तेरे लिए वीडियो बनाया मैंने.
ईशान किशन वाज लाइक अंदर से वंस अ मुंबई ऑलवेज अ मुंबई,
Yeah.
मतलब ही इज अ मुंबई इंडियंस, कट्टर मुंबई इंडियंस यार, मतलब 2 बार मुंबई इंडियंस को हराया है, सो उसके अंदर का वो खून वो रगड़ रहा था कि सालों तुम लोगों ने मुंबई इंडियंस को हराया है, सो दिस इज फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस, वो अंदर से वो बोल रहा था. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट गॉट इनटू हिम यार, मतलब कभी उसको ये अवतार में देखा नहीं, मतलब नेवर, इज लाइक अ स्वीट इनोसेंट बॉय, लाइक अभी भी 20 साल का ही लगता है वो, लाइक अ
कल
बेबी
कुछ
फेस.
था भाई,
Yeah,
कल
yeah.
संजू को भी मैंने पहली बार देखा है इस तरह से.
Little animated.
Yeah.
क्लासन और संजू का भी कुछ लफड़ा हुआ, एंड देन ईशान किशन डूइंग दिस, लाइक ही वाज नॉट स्टॉपिंग, ही वेंट टिल द, मतलब टनल तक जाने तक लाइक चलो निकलो चलो, दिस वाज, मतलब ये पोलार्ड और ब्रावो करने के पहले, एंड अभी ईशान किशन को देख के लग रहा है.
Guys, what is your take on the social? We've discussed this in a couple of episodes. Is it getting better or is it getting a little out of taste? These tweets are beyond control,
It
bro.
is serendipity. It is so beautiful. It was written for Punjab to score 49 in their power play. It was written. They had it coming. It was beautiful for us. Keeping receipts is such a beautiful. It's a game. Like honestly, like humanity is saved is the greatest tweet from a sports team in my opinion. And like RCB just keeping receipts of KKR का team whatever and then 49 का बदला.
भाई आरसीबी का वो ट्वीट है, बेटा थोड़ा कम बोला कर. Crazy.
Don't do it from next time. Be back with fresh jokes. Like now there's a trophy at the back backing us whatever we tell. It's not just
And by the way, everyone
we're
who's
no longer
trolling-
winning social media trophies.
Everyone who's trolled RCB is having the worst season of their lives. ऋतुराज गायकवाड़, हाँ, must be an RCB fan. क्या किया भाई कल तूने?
High लग रही है, bro. सबको you don't fuck with RCB.
Exactly.
Yeah, just whoever's watching. No fuck with RCB because bad luck for the next 25 days.
It's the black cat types.
It's literally, bro. It's,
वो भी देखा आपने कहीं शुभमन गिल कैसे पोस्ट करता है हर मैच के बाद, दैट इज आल्सो
But
क्रेजी।
people wait for it now.
the beauty is all the Punjab first 2 weeks of April ka reels are popping up on my feed.
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
And
Such a sight to watch. They're plant a tree every time we lose.
बट लाइक पंजाब के लिए तो ये भी बड़ी बात है, लाइक गाइस हम तो बहुत हम्बल लोग हैं कि हमारे लिए ये भी बड़ी बात है कि हम लोग कुछ तो जीते और कुछ मैचेस जीते, हमें
Where are you
कंसीडर
fair-
तो कर रहे
Fair
हैं।
play out पे कहाँ है?
हमारा कंपटीशन डीसी से है यार, चिल है। हम नॉर्थ इंडिया ट्रॉफी अलग है, नॉर्थ इंडिया आईपीएल है, नॉर्थ
That
इंडिया
is the
आईपीएल
north is a different part of the IPL.
हमारा कंपटीशन बस डीसी से है।
What the fuck is happening at CSK, man? Like, if you've invested, it's not a big amount that they've paid for Dhoni. You see him playing. अब उन्हें देखो फुटबॉल खेल रहा था 3 दिन पहले, taking volleys and shit. And what is your take on MS Dhoni this season?
आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट फील्स लाइक कि कुछ सालों बाद हमें पता चलेगा कि कोई तो फिशी डील थी जिसकी वजह से धोनी को अटकाना पड़ रहा
It's like
है।
Bruno Mars in Las Vegas.
Because honestly, look, for me,
The fairy tale ending was written.
Yeah,
2023
2023,
when he won, Jadeja won, and he came. They signed the autograph. And like, good night, bye, bro. I was on GT. I mean, I was working with whatever GT के लिए. I was like, shit, GT lost. I'm like, fuck it, man. CSK won, crazy. Come back, you're crazy. 18 पे आए, crazy. Good night. Team खत्म कर दो. Good night. Like, you're done.
but
This
we
is
spoke of go on.
biopic ending that was, and after that, stretching and stretching and then
See, that's the thing, bro. When there's already a biopic made on you, then you can do whatever the fuck you want. I think that's what Dhoni done. Secondly, what I was saying you this off camera, ki what normal person would say no to 5 to 15 crores for 2 months? I mean, I get it. Usko kya lagta hai? He gives a fuck about what we are talking over here.
Nah, no.
Fair.
He's got his estate in Ranchi with his 300 bikes. He's like, I'm getting free
strawberry
money.
का
Strawberry
good,
farm.
nice rates also strawberry.
अच्छा नहीं, 2016 में ही आई थी ना उसकी बायोपिक धोनी की,
नहीं, 16?
2016 में आई थी और उसी के अगले 2 सालों में मचा दिया गंद, वो हो गए ना बैन। तो ये
So
टाइमिंग
now he wants MS Dhoni the told story. The told story. The told story is needed.
एक पार्ट
Boys,
2
what is
आएगा।
we don't have any कोई CSK का fan नहीं है ना इधर।
सब
चल,
घर
धोनी
पे
के तो सब
बैठे।
fans हैं। Are you all what is the vibe with Dhoni? Like, are you all happy seeing this? Do you want him in?
wait, I see a पंजाब fan. Bro,
Bro, नहीं बोलता
I
कुछ।
need support.
उसको वो नहीं बोलता
Bro
कुछ।
यार, मैं इतनी देर से कॉर्नर हो रहा हूँ भाई यहाँ पे, कुछ बोलो भाई।
मैं भी कॉर्नर में ही बैठा हूँ।
As Dhoni fans, do you guys are you guys happy just seeing what's happening with him, or would you like him to retire or come back in 2027 as usual?
मेरे को लगता है जैसे आरसीबी ने दानिश सेठ को रखा है और
Oh my god. Yeah, because Dhoni is also nagging.
हाँ वही है।
To be honest, I think so. It's unfair to the fans because yesterday also there were so many fans who traveled all the way from USA and मतलब all the way they traveled to watch Dhoni. मतलब उन्होंने हाई पे ऐसा बना दिया था पीआर ने कि यार धोनी माइट प्ले, इट्स द लास्ट मैच। चेपॉक में जो उसने इंटरव्यू दिया था कि माई लास्ट मैच कैन बी एट चेपॉक एंड द लास्ट मिनट पे अश्विन ट्वीट्स दैट कि इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग टुडे, इट कैन हैपन नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन। मतलब वो रूमर्स, मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ दे अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब बोल रहे थे
It's the
कल कुछ
greatest circus almost. Like it's a well played out circus.
कल थम इंजरी हो गया एंड देन कल मिड ब्रेक में देन धोनी इज कमिंग एंड टेकिंग फोटो शूट हो रहा है आफ्टर द मैच, पैप्स के साथ फोटोज
Winning
ले
lap हो रहा
रहा
है, fucking
है। सो मतलब हिंट्स दे रहा है कि इज नॉट, मतलब इट्स हिज लास्ट गेम एट चेपॉक करके, बट
कल भी
क्लियरली
सुरेश
बोल
रैना
भी नहीं
मैच के
रहे।
बाद बोला था कि आई टोल्ड धोनी कि यू हैव टू कम बैक नेक्स्ट ईयर
हाँ।
बिकॉज़ इस साल का हम मानेंगे नहीं।
लास्ट
आई
साल
लव सुरेश रैना बट नॉट
भाई भाई लास्ट मैच 4 या 3 साल से हो ही रहा है, ठीक है। तो मेरा बोलना ये है कि आप जो आपके फैंस हैं उनको पर्दे में मत रखो, सीधा बता दो कि ये सीजन मेरा लास्ट है या ये मैच मेरा लास्ट है, तो उस हिसाब से पब्लिक आए, क्योंकि आपका फैन बहुत ज्यादा है, ठीक है, और वो आपके लिए आते हैं। आप उनको सीधा बोलते हो कि मैं खेलूंगा तो उनको लगता है कि भाई हम लोग आए हैं।
Bro,
हम
you
लोग इतना
saw
ये कर रहे
yesterday the match. All 3 matches went in CSK's favor. The last 3 matches. Yesterday was CSK's match to win, and then there's no remorse. There's no like, oh my god, my team is losing. Shit, our playoffs are. Everybody's like Dhoni.
Correct.
So that blind, like that blind thing is like.
उनको मैच जीते हारे उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है, उनको मतलब है कि धोनी आए और हमारा आखिरी मैच खेले। तो उसके लिए आप मुंबई में भी देखोगे कि उतना ही भीड़ हुआ था, आपने देखा उनके होम ग्राउंड
चिन्नस्वामी आए तो same होएगा,
तो
whatever.
वहां पे आप आप एज अ मतलब एक कम्युनिटी चला रहे हो तो आपको आपके फैन को लेके चलना है, ठीक है?
If you remember when Dhoni was appointed as the mentor for the T20 team, the hype was there because man Dhoni is there. So Dhoni being a mentor to CSK will be the same hype.
What a
He
terrible
needs-
season that was.
Yeah.
But tell me, do you think, just sticking to your point, do you think Ruturaj is suffering without Dhoni's guidance? That's why it's a big factor of CSK.
No,
Ruturaj is suffering because he's Ruturaj.
Ruturaj will suffer
He's just
anyways,
Ruturaj. Must be somebody from CSK.
How about Team CSK suffering without Dhoni's presence? Do you think it's a big factor? Not anymore.
I mean, without Dhoni, CSK is not even a team.
You think?
I mean, it doesn't feel like a team
Wow.
anymore.
Okay.
मतलब पंजाब won against CSK, so I'm backing.
एक तो देखो
They still got the better of us though, bro. Still fucking.
No, but I think
Sanju.
Dhoni played a cameo role. Like the finisher role was there. That was the entire RCB has suffered crazily. We have suffered. So that was there. The game-changing ability, impact player before impact player was introduced, right? That was always there. But whatever he can suggest from the off ground as well. He can be Ashish Nehra as well, telling one he's sipping on one tender coconut आराम से बहुत कर रहा है. Okay, it's not necessary for Dhoni to be inside the yard, inside the circle, keeping करना ही है. Not needed at all.
हार्दिक पांड्या का अभी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हार्दिक पांड्या एमआई के साथ रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा तो भी अभी मुंबई को फिलहाल फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि हार्दिक पांड्या 2 मैच या 3 मैच ही खेला होगा, उसके अलावा उसने कुछ इस सीज़न में अच्छा किया नहीं है। और हार्दिक पांड्या के साथ ये होते रहता है कि वो एक सीज़न अच्छा खेलता है, एक सीज़न कुछ रूमर्स आते हैं, कुछ कांड हो जाता है, तो उसके लिए कुछ नया नहीं है। लेकिन इसके बाद अगर वो बाउंस बैक मुंबई को छोड़ के करेगा तो हम लोग को बुरा लगेगा, ठीक है? अभी हमारे साथ रह के नेक्स्ट सीजन पता नहीं, अभी कुछ पता नहीं सकते बंदा अगले सीजन किधर रहेगा, मुंबई में ही रहेगा, क्या रहेगा, कोई मतलब अगर रहेगा तो भी दिक्कत नहीं है।
How did an average Mumbai fan feel when he won the trophy with GT?
हाँ, वो तो भाई
I don't think we cared too
वो
much.
तो फर्क नहीं पड़ा था ना, क्योंकि वो तो चला गया था। अभी जो गया वो सपना, वो रहा वो अपना।
But you cared when he came back as Rohit's replacement.
That's the thing, na. With a commodity like Hardik, like it's the same like Kylian Mbappe at Real Madrid. We know that he's not fitting into the system, but he's such a hot commodity. Hardik Pandya walks into any IPL team or any team on the planet in general. But वही है कि now he's not working out. So
But what do you think is happening on Dhoni's end now? We are talking about as a fan and as a management. What do you think why does, like, is it, as he said, is it like necessary? Is it like a contract or is it
Yeah,
like,
it has
bro?
to be, it has to be.
Because he's been the most out of the system guy. He's like, boss, I'm chill. I'm not on social media. मेरा retirement एक whatever montage होगा. Good night, bye bye. He's been that person. Why does he have the
धोनी
thing
को
that
खिलाएंगे कि if you see CSK का पूरा बैटिंग लाइनअप, the only guy जो थोड़ा ऑफ लगे that is कार्तिक शर्मा, and कार्तिक शर्मा को हटा के भी there is already सरफराज खान जो अच्छा खेल रहा था उसको बेंच किया। तो धोनी अगर आएगा भी तो मे बी कि टीम के लिए लाइबिलिटी बन जाए कि सीएसके का मोटिव क्या है कि कल हार गए तो अभी थोड़ा बाहर हो सकते हैं, वरना उनका मोटिव ये था कि क्वालिफाई करना है, धोनी को नहीं खिलाना है कि कोई भी
Show
टीम
of
क्या
hands, guys.
देखेगी।
Just let's do this. Show of hands. How do you think Dhoni still fits in the CSK team? Anybody agrees?
like in a playing 11?
In a playing 11, would you
Without
like to
an-
see-
without
even,
being an
even
impact-
as an impact player, anybody?
धोनी के लिए मोन्टाज 5 साल पहले से बना है जाने का, वो जा नहीं रहा, वो बात अलग है।
ड्राफ्ट में
ठीक है, तो अभी सीधा ऐसे मोन्टाज बनाओ कि टाइम और डेट दे दो और उसके बाद
This is
धोनी
what
को
happens
रिटायर
when
कर
you
दो।
ask an editor a question, no? He goes straight to the montages. I like
Bro,
it.
but
like
I
it.
think if IPL extends and I think they're waiting for an IPL match to happen on 7th July and then retire on that day. Auspicious. They are like, May में कौन retire होगा? पर summer holidays में कौन retire होता है?
India A squad, any came out for Sri Lanka? Anybody you guys reckon? I would have loved to see Prince Yadav personally.
बट प्रिंस यादव का दे आर सेइंग कि दे आर वेटिंग फॉर हिम फॉर ओडीआई का स्क्वाड में डायरेक्टली आयरलैंड के इसमें डायरेक्टली ओडीआई में उसको प्रिंस यादव को ट्राई करने वाले, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट
Fast track straight to.
Yeah.
Interesting.
या मेरे को तो ऐसे लाइक इस साल मतलब आईपीएल के शुरुआती लेग के साथ ऐसे होप्स थी कि प्रियांश आर्या विल गेट टू सी हिम इन द इंडियन टीम दिस ईयर एंड देन लाइक लेट्स जस्ट सी हाउ इट गोस।
He's in the team, right?
ए में है आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट
I didn't see the team. Can you
senior
just tell me
team.
who's in the team?
लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है अगर ये तिलक वर्मा को थोड़े दिन पहले अनाउंसमेंट करके कैप्टन बना दिया होता ना तो और 3 मैच खेल लेता बंदा अच्छा। तिलक वर्मा जैसे कैप्टन बना भाई ने भाई पेल दिया सीधा।
सेम रियान पराग का भी।
Do you think in India if anybody wins they pull out a chit as well?
Bro, I'm done with chits. I'm so done with chits, yaar. I think today I want to start the shows with a chit only. Hello and welcome. Like, bro, it's just become like, or give me some dirty chits. Like, fuck you, dad.
Yeah. Oh shit! Sorry, grocery list. two 12 eggs. What?
Kanda.
No, but I was just telling him, I don't know if we were rolling or not, that it all started with Digvesh Rashi with a virtual shit, and they're like, oh, virtual, I'll get a real. You know what?
Then Abhishek Sharma came with a real
4-9
one.
लाएगा मैं.
No, Australians are happy right now, no? So they're trying to write something on sandpaper and they're going to show like, so they'll try to sneak in on the sandpaper. Like,
Bro,
वैसे तो cheat है.
you should have saved this joke for when Jake comes next.
Oh.
You should get a cheat about written on sandpaper. We're going to get him back for sure. But guys, there's something else that I sort of realized and I put in my talking points is the biggest teams in the IPL, MI, CSK, KKR, okay, are in terms of trophies, like success. No, not, of course, I'm saying just, yeah, fair enough. I don't think it's a coincidence that they are the only teams that have not changed their home venue. Right? They have fortresses. MI back in the day, Wankhede used to be a fortress. Chepak, we all know. And Eden Gardens. Okay? बाकी teams, I understand कि आपको cricket फैलाना है देश में, small towns. But at what cost? Do you think this is hampering cricket, or you don't mind a Raipur or a Dharamshala?
Jaipur.
No, I honestly feel there have to be centers, and this is not just for IPL. Even
This
for
is for
Test
BGT.
cricket. Even for Test cricket, bro.
BGT as well. That was the whole argument.
वही Test cricket के लिए भी होना चाहिए ना. अभी if I'm going to Australia, I know I have to go to Perth, I have to go to Sydney, I have to go to Adelaide, I have to go to MCG. मेरा प्लानिंग उसके अकॉर्डिंग होगा, मेरा माइंडसेट. अब भाई अहमदाबाद में टेस्ट मैच हो रहा है, 1.5 लाख का कैपेसिटी है, 15 लोग देख रहे हैं.
Correct.
It's
World Cup opener was there. Nobody cared. Like all the it's just, Chepak.
Bro, sorry. World Cup opener was there. Nobody cared. And 4 days later at Wankhede, you see the bloody. That was actually the opener, and I was there in stadium, and bro, I goosebumps just thinking about that. But
terrible test match. Though.
Yeah. Surya Kumar Yadav saved us. But so coming back to the point, you think they should be centers. But do you mind कि जो छोटे teams हैं, and again I hate like in LSG for example, like the less.
कह दो पंजाब.
The Punjab outsays that.
No, for me,
Punjab has suffered the most by the way. Dharamshala Lizaga.
What I would want is, see, Karnataka is a big state. Karnataka has Chinnaswamy. There are 4 more state level, like at least like BCCI. There's a NCA approved ground and everything. Play a second hometown where somewhere else, where I can also like where the Ranji final happened, right? That was so poorly maintained because no cricket happened there for 2 years and then suddenly the Ranji final is happening.
I'll tell you, I went to I saw Man U versus Arsenal at Old Trafford.
Sure.
Wow. those tremors that
Tell
you
now,
feel.
no football. Tell now.
वो केवल एक मैच था जो मैंने देखा अपने जीवन.
And this is Old Trafford or
This is Old Trafford.
Emirates, हाँ.
And you could feel tremors भाई वहाँ पे. फैंस की मतलब मैन्यू फैंस एक तरफ बैठे हैं, आर्सेनल की टीम एक तरफ बैठी है. यू हैव अ म्यूजियम देयर, राइट? इट्स लाइक योर कंप्लीट फोर्ट्रेस. तो यू फील लाइक योर फैंस विल फील कनेक्टेड. तो वहीं से आपकी लेगेसी बिल्ड होती है.
अभी ये जो आपने बोला जो ग्राउंड बदलना और उसके वजह से सबसे ज्यादा इस वजह से, सॉरी बैड वर्ड, मतलब इससे सबसे ज्यादा पहले गए ना इसमें पंजाब वाले. हाँ, तो सबसे ज्यादा पंजाब वाले ये गए क्योंकि लास्ट मैच में क्योंकि लास्ट मैच में जो पोस्ट मैच का ये रहता है ना, उसमें भी प्रेजेंटेशन में बात कर रहे थे कि पंजाब का हर मतलब जो ग्राउंड चेंज हो रहा है या उसके वजह से, तो जो बॉलर्स है वो पीक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ग्राउंड को.
Ashwin also spoke about this. Like there is a set rhythm when you enter one ground that you're familiar with. Correct. And then weather is changing, altitude is changing, bro. The whole thing you're losing your entire
swing, which changes spin.
It is equally an away ground for the home team.
Good point. We'll end with a little bit of, because I feel we haven't touched on KKR. Do you guys see any chance of them?
Bro, KKR has done it so many times. 2014, they won 2 out of the first 7 games. They ended up winning the trophy. 2021 under Owen Morgan, same thing happened. Abhi is saal kuch bhi ho sakta hai because it's the IPL, and when you have RCB doing that in 2024, when they had like 0.1% chance, and then they inspired their way through to the playoffs.
So what's your so if you had to pick one aspect of one player, a couple of players from KKR who can individually, because Rane probably not, but Raghuvanshi is just getting his Sunil Rinku.
Yeah.
Rinku Day, that was Rinku Day everywhere, the super over
Sunil
everywhere.
Narayan, man, what the, like लोग थाला के ऊपर इतने जोक्स मारते कि भाई ये तो व्हील चेयर पे भी खेले. मुझे लग रहा है सुनील नारायण भाई वो वेंटिलेटर पे भी खेलेगा भाई वो KKR के लिए.
And do things.
Yeah, and he'll do things. He'll take a 5.
Then hand will bend right.
एक्सप्रेशन वैसे ही नहीं आता तो
अभी फिलहाल टॉप 4 का क्या चल रहा है पता है? 2 मैच पहले आपको ऐसे लग रहा था कि सीएसके टॉप 4 में क्वालिफाई हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और हर मैच के बाद आपके क्वालिफाई के चांसेस बदलते हैं और कुछ बनते हैं। मतलब लास्ट मैच में जैसे कल का मैच हुआ, उसके बाद सीधा अपना कौन सा कोई तो एक टीम क्वालिफाई हो गया इसके साथ,
जीटी
SRH
हाँ एसआरएच के साथ जीटी क्वालिफाई हो गया, ठीक है? तो अभी सिर्फ चौथा वाला जो सीन है उसके लिए सब चल रहा है मामला। तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर गलती से राजस्थान हार गए, ठीक है, मैं ऐसे मतलब
6 हारे लगा था, 7वां भी हरा,
लेकिन हार गए तो केकेआर को चांस बनता है। लेकिन उसके बाद भी केकेआर को 2 मैच जीतना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद भी कुछ ऐसा सीन है कि पंजाब को भी हारना पड़ेगा, ये ऐसा है।
एंड राजस्थान को एक one of the two they'll have to lose.
लेकिन उसमें सीन क्या है, अभी फिलहाल जो पीक पकड़ा है फिन एलन ने, बंदा क्या खेला है लास्ट मैच। अगर गलती से वो बंदा टिक जाता ना तो
Bro, the sweetest century of the season.
आरसीबी हार जाता लास्ट मैच।
The sweetest century.
लास्ट मैच
century, of course,
आरसीबी
but-
हार जाता अगर गलती से वो बंदा रुक जाता पिच पे। लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से उसका वो दिन नहीं था, तो अभी क्या
फिन मेरे को
पता।
लगता है वो छोटा रिचार्ज नहीं आता था पहले, ये 25 रुपए का ऐसे
Pocket
करके
dynamo.
वो ऐसे ही करता है यार। वो एक मैच में एकदम ऐसे कर देगा, अगले मैच में एकदम फुस।
No, but that also, right? He had a, like, the first over he blasted, next ball he got out and everything. So yeah, so the chance is there. It's always, every season we've seen this. It's time and again. It's a pattern almost. It's an IPL classic. One team match gets washed out. They get 1 point. That 1 point becomes a blessing.
And bro, what memory we have. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में फिन एलन was failing तो everyone like टिम साइफर्ट को लेके आओ, टिम साइफर्ट को लेके आओ, टिम साइफर्ट अचानक से रिंग फिन एलन क्या है यार ये।
So boys, let's end with just this. Top 3 have been sorted.
Yeah.
Just give me your 4th place right off the bat.
Punjab, let's go.
Let's go Punjab.
Rooting for Punjab, but I don't know. But would be fun to see CSK lose eliminator.
So CSK, okay. We got Punjab, CSK. शिवांग बोल दे भाई।
हाँ पंजाब।
Boys, what do you all reckon?
Rajasthan, top 4 next year.
ये साल
KKR, we got KKR. Ooh, ballsy.
Yeah, that's what I said. The 1 point could be a blessing.
Yeah,
this
one
time.
point blessing plus Raghuvanshi ki still they are not talking about Raghuvanshi because number 3 spot and ODI try series में भी इंडिया में उसका नाम नहीं आया है Raghuvanshi का he's killing it and last match also against GT his partnership and Cameron Green का partnership was really well. मतलब रहाने स्टिल नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, मतलब जैसे उसको परफॉर्म करना चाहिए, बट रहाने गॉट दैट लाइनअप। मतलब अभी रघुवंशी इज परफॉर्मिंग, फिन एलन हैज स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग वेल, कैमरन ग्रीन अच्छे से खेलने लगा है,
रिंकू भी,
रिंकू इज बैक इन फॉर्म, सो दिस 2
Yeah,
games
Patnas looks a little odd, but he's back
I
into
think
rhythm. It's a
KKR
lethal
has
weapon.
found its form at the right
No,
time.
Punjab. You stick to your answer, Punjab.
So these 2 games can be very important. मतलब अभी स्टार्टिंग के मैचेस 5 games they lost but still they can qualify. अभी दोनों गेम जीत गए, so they have a good chance because MI the next match is against MI in Eden Gardens and Mumbai has to play against Rajasthan last match. So राजस्थान को मुंबई हरा सकता है and KKR के chances can get open.
लेकिन
So
केकेआर को मुंबई को भी हराना पड़ेगा तो क्वालिफाई करेगी ना। मुंबई के साथ भी एक मैच है ना केकेआर
Bro,
का।
आज तो बहुत कम बात किया यार। I'm not vibing
Nah,
this.
I wanted to give a wild one for ending this.
Give me a wild one.
If Delhi goes through, let's see. Delhi
Oh
stands
shit,
at
it's still they're
Delhi
still there,
stands
no?
at 0.69%. Okay, top 4 का 0.69% chance है Delhi का अभी भी. So if my math is correct, because Rajasthan and let's say what's the other team which is in play? KKR. They are facing elimination further, right? So playing against teams which have no baggage to lose or win, so they can go winless. एंड CSK के लिए पाथ बना रहे बाकी टीम्स, लेकिन CSK खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा है एंड दिल्ली का बॉलिंग लाइनअप ड्यू टू मिचेल स्टार्क हैज इंप्रूव्ड ट्रिमेंडसली. ठीक है,
कुलाड़ी मारते हुए सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे.
So what if that 0.69% chance becomes a 69 for the other teams on their side?
लेकिन
So that's
ये
what I'm
सब में
saying
है ना, आईपीएल के जो टेबल के टॉप कर रहे हैं ना, उनका सारा भविष्य जो टेबल के नीचे है ना, वही डिसाइड करने वाले हैं।
Do you? I don't know if this has been discussed before. Do you still believe it's a top 4? Because now we are a 10 team. Top 6 होना चाहिए, or what do you think? Top 2 goes through, 3, 4, 5, 6
Nah,
go.
but that's what makes this IPL so competitive, na? It has become even more competitive because of this.
All right, boys, you guys ready?
Damn it.
It is time for the quiz. I don't even know what it is. I can't even call this a competition anymore. And I hope, don't take it seriously. Bro, and I'm not blaming any of y'all, but your kind that sits on this side have only been losing.
Vastu, bro.
Vastu. This is shani. But listen, simple. 10 questions. You get 1 steal each. If you win the steal and get the right answer, it's +2. If you lose that and you give a wrong answer, it's -1. Rest, simple. All right? This is what, 7 in a row, going for 8. Cocky little fucking guys. I like it. All right. Paddy Cummins made his debut for which franchise? He won that IPL that season, although he just played one game.
KKR.
Yeah, that's what they do. That's what they do. Let's go. Hey, bro, if you knew that, you could have stolen it, huh?
We knew it.
1-0. Right, boys. Which IPL team holds the record for the most individual centuries?
Steel.
Okay. Go on.
RCB.
RCB is the right answer. RCB is the right answer. 3-0. Right. Back to
2-0
you, boys.
यार.
2 point मिल गए ना.
Stain cut.
Okay.
2 points.
How many IPL finals has Mahendra Singh Dhoni featured in?
Steel. 10.
You won't steal, so that's a -1.
-1 भी यार.
This Punjab fans, man.
You won't get a point for this, but
11
11 is the right answer. 10 with CSK,
1 with RPSG.
Rising Pune.
RPSG.
11.
You are close क्या? Minus. You lost by 1. वही तो -1 हुआ है.
अभी दोनों के steal हो गए.
Yes.
Right?
Now direct. No more steal.
3 -1.
Wow. Remontada. Come on.
Come on, boys. Who was the first Indian to take an IPL fifer?
और टफ बना दो.
These guys are ready already with the answer. Shut the fuck up, dude.
नहीं भाई, उसने हैट्रिक ली नहीं, वो हैट्रिक वाला सीन है भाई.
IPL fifer, first Indian.
7
हमें तुम लोगों को पता है, आंखों में देख लूं.
मतलब इसका -1? No -1.
अमित मिश्रा.
Yes! Amit Mishra is the right bloody answer.
90th minute goal.
That is
Let's go.
sick. That is sick.
बट अमित मिश्रा ने कब लिया है फाइनल?
We are at
That's a good
0
question.
points now.
I don't have the year at that.
0 points. 0 points.
All right. Anyway, so 0, 3. Who has taken the most IPL wickets as a captain?
Shane Warne?
But you don't even wait. You're right again. 4-zip.
We have won it anyway.
We won
So
it,
just say
yeah.
it's a consolation wala.
Yeah.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है.
Okay, guys.
4-0.
You know, this time I might be happy if you guys bring it close. I'm going to give you a double pointer for the last one. If you can come close. All right, boys. Most runs scored in the IPL, right? I'm not done with the question yet. Most runs scored in the IPL by an individual without scoring a century.
डेविड वॉर्नर सेंचुरी आई है. डेविड वॉर्नर.
Answer, guys.
सुरेश रैना.
नहीं.
रैना है तो.
Thala for a reason, why?
It
Dhoni.
is Mahendra Singh Dhoni has the most number of runs in the IPL.
We were close.
Without
we were
you
close.
were, yeah. Just because, I mean, Dhoni's room had a balcony and Raina's didn't. So we had to. Coming to you, youngest player to take a IPL hat-trick. Youngest player to take an IPL hat-trick?
Steal.
स्टील कर ले.
Steal.
कर लो यार, steal.
श्रेयस गोपाल.
That's a -1.
अच्छा रुको, युवराज सिंह, अमित
I'll give you
मिश्रा.
a hint. He's come on our show, guys. He's come as a guest.
कर्म करने जाता हूँ कांड हो जाता है.
Oh, I don't think you guys are
अब तो
vicious.
0 पॉइंट के लिए लड़ाई चल रही है.
नहीं, I'm not going to give you the fight.
अब वापस ये तो
Punjab Kings.
नहीं माने. Okay. All right, boys. We did the youngest with them. The oldest player to score an IPL century.
Oldest to score century.
Yeah. I'll give you a hint. He's also got the wicket of Harbhajan Singh. I'll give you that much.
He got the wicket of Harbhajan Singh.
He's got.
एडम गिलक्रिस्ट.
Yeah, buddy. Yes. That is correct.
Praveen Kumar, greatest keeper ever.
विदाउट द पैड्स.
Boys.
Oh, we are at 1 now.
Yeah. No, 2. I didn't count the -1. I'm a good guy.
2 हो गए ना, 2 हो गए.
Which two teams tie for the most number of purple caps in the IPL? Which two teams are tied for the most number of purple caps?
Kolkata and Hyderabad?
That is incorrect, my friend.
Oh!
I'll give you a shot at it,
Kolkata and
boys.
CSK.
One is SRH.
Yeah.
The other is
It's not Delhi. It's not. Is it Punjab? Is it Punjab? Is it Kolkata is not the other answer.
MI.
नहीं, MI तो हम पूछ रहे हैं. अब हम
एक ही बार हुआ है, which is Malinga. The other one is CSK. Really?
Oh, chal, we were far.
4 each. Whoa. 4 each. Name 2 players with the most number of fofers in the IPL. I'll give you a hint. One of them has 9 fofers and one of them has 8.
Oh, bhai.
It's a tough question. Which is why I'll give you so many points for it.
8 forfers.
9 and 8
Wow.
are the top 2.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Sunil Narayan.
Sunil Narayan is correct with 8
And
fofers.
Yuzi.
No, not Bhuvi, not Bhuvi.
Yuzi बोल रहा है वो.
बोल दो.
Yuzi की मलेगा bro.
Chahal is the right answer.
What? Let's go! Yes!
That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. I'll tell you what, bro. For that, I'm gonna give you guys a tiebreaker. Okay, let's have some fun. Bro, that is
Guys,
that is crazy.
Punjab knows.
Punjab knows, but that's crazy. Who has recorded or scored or a lack of the first ever duck in the IPL? I'll repeat it. Who has recorded the first ever duck in the IPL, in the history of the IPL?
Steve.
God.
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid is the incorrect answer. Bro, it is a crazy answer.
अभी उनको देना पड़ेगा जवाब. उनको देना
No, no.
पड़ेगा. No. ये रूल नहीं है.
Acha, bro, I decide the rules. You all play the game.
I only explained this rule.
It's done. The correct answer
अरे
is...
रुको ना.
Let them.
नहीं हम लोग को पता नहीं
Let
लेकिन
them answer. Let them.
For the vibes. I mean, the competition is done.
Some South Indian guy.
Second super over.
RCB का है.
Abu Nechim?
यार पेनल्टीज में ऐसा होता है.
कुछ तो ऐसा अननोन नहीं रहेगा भाई.
नहीं.
मालूम नहीं तो अननोन
top
ही
order.
रहेगा.
See, we had a batting collapse that day. First match, we had a batting collapse.
अरे वो साउथ इंडियन का है वो. हाँ कोई तो
The correct answer is Balachandra Akhil. Dismissed by Ajit Agarkar.
Oh wow, the black and gold Nokia Ajit Agarkar. Wow.
पेनल्टीज में ऐसा होता है कि वो टीम जीतती है जो पहले.
And on that note, guys, it's safe to say that a sore team has lost today. And
Fixing.
And on that note, guys, the quiz as usual. These guys don't miss, man. These guys don't miss. You guys absolutely killed it again. The USB of this team. Well done, boys. Okay, guys, that has to be the mic drop moment of the day. And finally, after the third or fourth time, I want to say thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you don't like something, please, we all read the comments. We did speak about CSK. Someone said that we spoke about CSK a lot today. So we do read the comments. And on that note, guys, again, my mind diverts from what needs to be done. So I'll let guys keep watching.
Overthrow!
And subscribe to
Cover Drive.